How to delete Crunchyroll account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can delete your Crunchyroll account. So make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, if you'd like to delete your Crunchyroll account, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Crunchyroll application. Make sure that you are signed into the correct account which you'd like to close or delete. Once you have done that, you can tap the account icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen here, and once you tap the account icon from the bottom right, you're going to be able to see this type of interface over here. So if you look under the privacy tab here, one of the options you'll find is known as delete my account. So all you have to do is tap the delete my account option over here, tap the continue option, enter your password, and your Crunchyroll account will get successfully deleted. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically delete your Crunchyroll account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.